Howdy y'all, Derek DeBrosse, gun lawyer here. We have, if you notice, our Munitions Law Group shirts on. Michael Truman's joining me, our associate. This is our first official munitions video. And we thought today would be a good day to talk about politics. I just got back from SHOT Show. Maybe saw some of you guys there. Had a great experience. It's the first time I was ever there. Michael, you ever been there?
I have not. I'm looking forward to going in the future though when you take me.
It was huge. I've never seen anything like it. Had a lot of great meetings. It was all business for us. We really didn't do any partying or anything. Quite honestly, I'm not a big fan of Vegas. Stresses me out. I get a lot of anxiety from it. But today we're talking a little bit about politics. Trump is our new president. He's been sitting in office for about a month now?
Just about. I think it's 28 days I saw today.
What do you think about President Trump?
It's been interesting so far.
Well, that's kind of an attorney answer. What do you really think about President Trump?
I think he's been a little erratic. I agree with a lot of his policies, but I don't think he's been as effective as he could be in implementing them.
Well, I think he's going to be really good for the gun front. I think on the gun side of things, the NRA fully supported him. I think he's going to try to implement, I hope, as many of their wish list goals as possible. With that said, Michael, what's been in the news lately as far as gun bills?
There have been two major gun bills introduced in the House of Representatives in January.
Now, there was one that's on his desk currently, though. Isn't the Social Security bill on his desk?
Yes, that is currently on his desk.
Yeah. So what's that bill say? What does that law? Do you think it's going to pass, and what does it do?
Well, it's already passed. So this was a bill. At the end of the Obama administration, they passed some new regulations that basically said that if you had a representative payee, you wouldn't be able to get firearms. So that new regulation was repealed by Congress, and now it's awaiting President Trump's signature, and all indications are that he's going to sign it.
So it hasn't become law yet, but it's passed Congress.
Exactly.
Okay, and what's a representative payee for the viewers?
Basically, it means that if someone else manages your finances.
Okay. So basically, what Michael's saying is that the Obama administration was holding that you were adjudicated mentally incompetent if you were determined by the Social Security Administration to necessitate a representative payee because you could not handle your own money. Not being able to handle your own money, as many of us know, doesn't mean you're mentally incompetent, but that's the way a strict reading of the law was being enforced by the Obama administration. So essentially the Trump administration has overturned that, for lack of a better way of putting it. Correct?
It was very dangerous because it encouraged people to basically not seek mental health help when they needed it.
And just so the viewers know, it's also currently in place for the Veterans Administration. If a veteran is on disability and they get a representative payee, they are reported to the NICS. I just went through an exam myself for some disability from my time in Iraq, and I made it very clear to the lady at the American Legion helping me, I cannot have a representative payee. So we'll see what happens with that. But they generally don't force it on you, but a lot of these veterans don't know what's going on. And a lot of the Social Security recipients wouldn't know what's going on either, and all of a sudden they lose their gun rights without even knowing it. So.